brief, calculus students. I want to continue on how you solve a triangle with the law of sines. Okay, so we've got other triangles, an angle, side and angle, a side angle, or a side angle, or angle side, depending on which way you want to do it. So law of sines is just ratios. The sine of A over A equals the sine of B over B, sine of C over C, or we can flip them over, A over sine of A, B over sine of B, C over sine of C. Okay, so let's say we have a side angle triangle. Okay, so we have side angle. Well, let's go ahead and use sine of A over 30 equals sine of 95 over 45. So we just go ahead and simplify. Just multiply both sides by 30. Simplify this piece. Come up with sine of A equals 0.664. Take the inverse. A will be 41.6 degrees. Let's use our subtraction. Find B. B will be 43.4 degrees. And then let's find this other side right here. Since we know what B is, we just stick it in. B is B over sine of the opposite angle. 45 over opposite angle. We solve and we get, this was in terms of inches, so 31.1 inches. And this would be our solved triangle. Okay, an angle side angle triangle, where the side is in between two angles, isn't that hard to solve either. Let's, first of all, label it. And yes, the first angle, or the third angle, is easy to find with subtraction. And then we'll just use the law of sines with our ratios. Probably this one right here was C. And then A. And we'll go ahead and use C. And then fill in that information. Sorry, let me go back. Okay, fill in that information. So 300, and then this will be 643 feet, and then 641 feet. So, which makes sense because these angles are just about the same size. So their opposite sides are just about the same. Now we can go on to the next slide. Okay, an angle side, or side angle. Okay, where the side isn't between the two angles. Okay, so we'll fill in the first angle first. Just using the subtraction. So there we go. Okay, fill in that information for me. Okay, so we got our three angles and one side. So we can solve, with A with its opposite angle, B with its opposite side. Okay, or B with its opposite angle. Excuse me. So A is going to be 1.7 miles, and B would be 0.84 miles. So we fill that information in, and we've used the law of sines. So we solved it, and you can go ahead and try it as well.